Batman, 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 Joker just put me on acid. You wanna wait like a maverick, we need to make something happen. Batman, 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 please put me on new fashion. I ain't learned nothing since last year, you got the renegade fabrics.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be an everyday spring makeup look, and this is the look I came up with, just really simple eyes and a pink lip. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's get started. Hi guys, so I'm starting off with the Estee Lauder The Mattifier Shine Control Perfecting Primer, and I'm just using some and I'm applying it on my face, and I'm just rubbing it in and patting it in the best way possible. This is supposed to help with shine throughout the day because I do have oily skin, so that's what I started off with. Moving on to foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Dream Matte Mousse, and I'm applying this with a Real Technique sponge. I use this foundation because it looks the most natural out of all the foundations I have, and I just like how it gives such a skin-like texture. So that's why I chose this foundation for this look, because it is an everyday spring makeup look. So that's what I use for foundation. For concealer, I'm using the Pure Mineral Concealer, and I'm applying that under my eyes, and I'm going to be blending it out with the same Real Technique sponge. And I just love how it blends into my skin so seamlessly. You can get this concealer at the beauty supply. That's where I got mine. It's a couple shades lighter than my skin tone. For eyeshadow primer, I'm using the Lorac eyeshadow primer, even though you can't see the name anymore. But I'm just applying this on my eyes so we have something to stick to for the eyeshadow. It is a great primer if you are looking for an eye primer. So I'm using the 35O palette, and I'm using that like light shade. I don't know what color it is, I'm sorry, but I'm using an e.l.f. Crease brush to blend this into my crease all around the best way possible as I want to say a transitional color. And I'm going to do this to both of my eyes. I just love this color. It is so pretty, you guys. But I'm sorry I don't have the name. This palette doesn't have names, so yeah, I can only describe the color to you, but I'm just using a brush to blend it out. I'm using that brown shade right there from the 35O palette, and I'm also going to be blending it into the crease. And make sure you blend because you don't want harsh lines in a makeup tutorial. It doesn't look good. So I'm applying this in the crease to put more definition. So yeah, that's just what I'm doing here, just blending it until you can't blend anymore. The next color I'm using is that orangey glittery color. It is so pretty, you guys. And I'm applying it on my lid using a flat shader brush. You can't really see the color right now, but it is such a pretty color, you guys. Like, if you saw it in person, you'll be like, wow, this is very pigmented color, because it is. Moving on to mascara, I'm using the Voluminous Butterfly Mascara by L'Oreal. This mascara is very natural looking, and I just love the look it gives to my eyelashes, and I'm applying it on the top and bottom lashes. For bronzer, I'm using the CoverGirl Ebony Bronzer. You guys, I hit pan. Like, look at that. That's great. So I'm using this as a bronzer. I'm applying this in the hollow of my cheeks and also on my forehead to add some color back into my face. And I'm using an e.l.f. stippling brush for this. For blush, I'm using that pink color. And that blush palette, I think I got it from TJ Maxx. And so I'm just applying this with a fluffy brush lightly because it is a little pigmented, and I'm just applying this on the apples of my cheeks backwards. Using the Clinique lipstick in the color Shy, which is a really nice pink shade, and I'm just applying this on my lips to end the look. You guys, this is such a perfect look for spring, so if you guys want to recreate it, let me know. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time. Also, I'll put all the products I use in the description box. So I'll see you guys in a new video. Bye.